For those who are still struggling to make money online, don't worry, because by the time you finish watching this video, you should be able to make $20 to $50 per day with your smartphone. Just looking at this is about 700 Ghana cedis. I'm going to show you the apps on your Apple Store or your Google Play Store that can help you achieve this financial goal. You can make $10 to $20 or even up to $50 per day with your smartphone just by using Binance, Bybit or KuCoin. I'm going to show you how to trade cryptocurrencies and also earn passive income. And at the end of this video, if you still have any questions, you can just comment down below or click the first link, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. You can follow me on Instagram. I told you guys yesterday that Bitcoin was falling and it was going to lose in value, and the next support level was 24,000. In this video, I'm going to use the opportunity and help you make 200 to 300 Ghana cedis per day with your smartphone. I'm just going to do the video on my PC and I'll do the next tutorial on my phone for you guys. So just follow my instructions, and if you don't understand something, you can comment down below. Make sure you share the video so that it will help more people become financially free. These things are there to help us make money, but they will never teach us in school. So I'm just going to show you how I am making 200 to 300 Ghana cedis, even up to 4,000 Ghana cedis, and how you can also do it with just 10 to 20 minutes of work. So we have something we call digital currencies. They are just like fiat currencies. Fiat currencies are the Ghana cedis, the dollar, the euro, and all those stuff. And what you can do to make money is you can invest in them, and when they change in price, you earn profit. So let's say if one dollar is buying at 0.5, then the next day it rises to 0.2, and you went for it rises to 0.7, and you went for a long position, you make money. You buy it and it increase. It's just like going to market, buying something and selling it at a higher price. Or let's say you are having something and it's depreciating in value, but you find a way to sell it at a higher price. So this is the fundamental aspect, but the technical aspect is you use exchanges. So in crypto we use exchanges. With the exchanges, you can either use Binance, Bybit, KuCoin or BitGet. If you want to get these apps, click the first link, join the Telegram group, and you can get the apps. So for me, I trade on Bybit, Binance and BitGet, and also KuCoin. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Binance app to make 200 to 300 Ghana cedis per day. So looking at this chart right now, I want you guys to observe something. Okay, I want you to observe something for me. Each time you are going to enter a trade, I always draw horizontal lines, but people don't understand them. The horizontal lines are levels. They are the support and resistance levels. They tell you whether the market is moving up or is moving down. So on this particular chart here, that is Bitcoin in the daily time frame. The daily time frame means each candlestick uses 1 hour, 1 day to form. So if I change this time frame to 4 hours, this now means that this small candle that you have seen here, it have used 1 hour to form. This big candle here you have seen have used 1 hour to form. And something you should learn is anytime that the US dollar is rising, digital currencies will fall in value. Bitcoin will fall in value. So if you have the US dollar rising, gold will fall in value, Bitcoin will fall in value, DYDX will fall in value, and Bitcoin controls 70% of the crypto market. So I'm going to show you a strategy. I'm also going to calculate the entry price, the stop loss and take profit, so that at least your risk to reward ratio will give you 300 Ghana cedis or 400 Ghana cedis each time you take a trade. So let's say we are going to trade Bitcoin and we use the 4-hour time frame. When you just check this chart right now, no one will tell you that Bitcoin is falling, Bitcoin is reducing in value. When you were looking at the chart around here, you could see like Bitcoin is going up, is moving up. So if you draw a line here, let's say we draw a horizontal line at this top section here. If Bitcoin was moving up, it would have break through this line. But because it's in a downtrend, you could see Bitcoin falling here. you could see it falling. Each time it tried to rise, it will fall back and make a new low. Each time it tried to rise, it will fall back. There is a PDF that I shared to my private group. If you want to get the PDF, click the first link and join the Telegram group. So right now, I always take my trade in the 4-hour time frame, 1 hour or 1 day time frame. So when we go back to the 1 day time frame, so 1D, meaning that each candlestick is equivalent to 1D, okay? Then we reset the chart. So let's reset the chart here. So if I reset the chart, this is 1 day time frame of Bitcoin. Look at it. Bitcoin tried to move to the upside. Look at this pin bar. It pushes it down. When the NFT was released, now it's at the downtrend. So this is my position. I'm just going to show you guys how to make the money right now, okay? So what we want to do is, we already know that Bitcoin is falling. So we'll go and enter a sell position. But before we enter the sell position, we need to know where we want to stop trading, where we want to cash out our money, and where we want to also leave the market if Bitcoin decide to move up. So we'll click on the short position. We have long position and short position. So I'll click on short position here. Okay. So when I click on short position, I'll add it to the entry. So this is our entry. Bitcoin price right now is $25,597. So I'll click here. Okay. Now, the reason why I'm saying you should know when to get out and also when to enter. So right now, we all know that Bitcoin is falling. So we need to make sure that our risk to reward ratio is 1:4 or 1:5. This means that if we are risking $1, we should make $5 back. So for me, I usually risk 2% to make about 6% back. So if I will put my stop loss around here. Let's move the bar to the upside. Then I'll drag this risk to reward ratio to the nearest support level, giving me 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So if I risk $50 on this trade, I'm able to make $500 back. Do you guys get what I'm trying to say? So our stop loss will now be around $26,170. Our take profit will be $23,019. So we'll go to our Binance. So this is my friend's Binance account. I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. So now that we know how to enter the market, we know that Bitcoin is falling. So we'll click on the perpetual. Make sure you always select the perpetual one. We have BTC. So I'll select BTC USDT perpetual. So I'll select this one. Then when I select it, I'm going to trade market orders. We have limit order and we have market order. Limit orders is, let's say Bitcoin is around 25,000. Then you said you want to enter the market if Bitcoin reaches 26,000 or if Bitcoin reaches 24,000. That's a limit order. But with a market order, you are simply saying that right now Bitcoin is $25,597. I want to enter the market now because I'm thinking Bitcoin is going to fall. So I also want to enter the market right now. So we have this particular place called the order box. This place is called the order book. It contains the buyers and sellers. So if we sell Bitcoin right now, we'll appear at the order book at the top here. The red people are the sellers. Then the buyers are the green people. So some people also think that Bitcoin is going to rise. For me, I think that Bitcoin is going to fall. So what I'll do is I'll enter a sell position. We change the limit to market. Remember what I told you. So we are trading market orders. So when we go back to our trading view, then we'll double click on this. When we double click, you enter your account size. So right now I have $64. So I'll enter $64 here. I told you guys that I always risk 2%. Then we have our entry to be this thing, $25,600. Our take profit price to be 29,000. Our stop loss and take profit are here. Then we just click on confirm. So this is the amount that I'm going to enter into my Binance Futures. My stop loss is around 570 points. So Bitcoin 570 points here. Then the amount is 62. So 62, we'll go to our Binance here. Then we'll enter, let's say we are using 10% as cost. So we go for 10% as cost. So when we are using 10% as cost, so let's just say 12% of $64 is about $7. So look at the cost. So the cost shows you how much you are currently investing on the trade, and the bigger your lot size or your cost, the more money you are going to make. You guys get me? So the bigger your cost, the more money you are going to make. So what we want to do now is we want to add our take profit and stop loss. Remember, the take profit is how much we are going to make if the trade goes in our favor, and we are thinking Bitcoin will go to 24,000. So we'll enter our stop loss, our take profit. Then the stop loss is where we want to get out if the trade doesn't go well. So what I'll do is I'll enter $26,170. So if Bitcoin rises to this particular place, we are going to lose an amount. But if Bitcoin also fall, we are going to make an amount. And I was saying you just need to make $20 or $30 to make 300 Ghana cedis. And if you follow this instruction that I've just showed you, you'll be able to make money. You can see the current trade that I took for my friend. We are trying to grow this $60. We started this account with $20, and I'm currently teaching him how to grow it to about $100 so that he can trade on. When you join my private group, I always tell you to start with $10 because I know that trading can be very difficult when it comes to the psychological part. So the day before yesterday, I told people that Bitcoin was going to fall when it was around 26,500. Now Bitcoin is around $25,588 at the time of recording this video. So you see how simple things are, but you guys try to make things difficult, putting indicators. I don't put indicators and trend lines on my chart. Anytime that I look at the chart in the 1 day time frame or the, let's say, the 4-hour time frame, I already know what the market is, the direction of the market. So you just need to enter the trade. You don't have to add a moving average to tell you that sell, buy. Let's go back to the chart here. Just look at this chart. When I draw the line, if Bitcoin was moving in an uptrend, it will surely break this blue line. But because it's moving in a downtrend, you see it making things like steps, moving to the downside. So this is the same thing about Forex. Once you read the PDF, you are going to, anytime that you see the chart, you know that, oh, this pair is moving up, this pair is moving down. And you always need to trade with the trend. Don't go against the trend. Don't go against the trend. Never go against the trend. So let's enter the trade here. So I'll just click on sell. So when I click on sell, it will appear at the positions here. So this is the order. It has been filled. If I go to my trading view, you can see here I've entered an order here because I know that Bitcoin is going to fall. There's no doubt about it. They tried to rise several times and could not make it. So you can follow me on Binance feed if you want to learn more, or if you also want to know how this trading system works. I've just showed you how to make 200 to 300 Ghana cedis. I'm just going to be calculating the PNL and I'll be sharing it on my screen. If you still have any problems, comment down below, and make sure you click the first link, join the Telegram group and get the PDF. Share this video to help more people, whether you are from South Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya. You can make a lot of money. All you need is a Binance account with $10 and a knowledge about how to trade Binance futures. You can even trade on KuCoin or Bybit, depending on the app that you want to use. So in this video, I've just showed you how to trade and how to earn $20 to $30 per day. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section.